Dumb motherfucker. Fucking I can't fucking. What the fuck?
Faster than.
Oh my god. Oh. Bruh.
Ah!
Bruh, like.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, they're all down there.
yeah.
Goddamn
Uh-oh.
Health, what the fuck? I had like.
God dang it.
What the fuck? You're garbage. Can't hit him. He's standing still. And then... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not a good gun.
Contact now.
Fuck. Dude!
stairs.
Fuck.
They can sit there and shoot us from the fucking spawn.
No.
Oh man.
Fuck.
They already.
Let's go. Damn it. A little top. Fuck that.
Hostile.
Fuck, I had him, bro.
And stay down.
Come on. Yo, what did he shot? Damn, these kids are really just sitting.
Hey, fucking laying down. Coming up, holy shit.
Oh, fuck, it won't let me. Oh,
Might be over there.
bro. What? Me right now?
Goddamn.
Dude, I'm behind him.
Laying prone in the middle of fucking nuke to fucking shoot me.
Jesus.
The hallway next to radio.
Oh,
And I got followed by 2 people.
god damn it. Fuck you, bitch. Oh. Dude.
My God.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all camping, bro. They're all. Oh, you really? Fucking.
Assassinate him. Dang it! Oh my god.
Talk me.
Oh.
There's a guy camping.
Ah, shit.
He's broke.
How did he?
Fuck. A little bit.
It was one shot. Cheating, you fucking faggot.
The freaking
You're
top.
fucking reported, you fucking faggot.
Bullshit.
Damn. Wow. It's fucking. One bullet. Why did it crouch? Oh, this is gonna be a hard ass game,
Just
bro.
about to
You're the fucking
finish
PC
70
players,
seconds.
bro. You know how much more of an advantage they got on us?
Oh, really?
There's.
Oh yeah, the fucking robot guy. There he is.
I just got completely shot. Oh my God.
Goddamn.